Hello and welcome. Let's work through question 1 together. We're asked to evaluate this expression without a calculator. Notice the whole thing sits underneath a square root. By the order of operations, BODMAS, we deal with the division before the subtraction. So first, let's handle 1/3 divided by 1.5. 1.5 is the same as 3 over 2. And dividing by a fraction means multiplying by its reciprocal. We flip it over. So, 1/3 times 2/3. Multiply the tops. 1 times 2 is 2. Multiply the bottoms. 3 times 3 is 9. That gives 2/9. To subtract, we need a common denominator. The lowest common multiple of 12 and 9 is 36. 11/12 becomes 33 over 36. And 2/9 becomes 8 over 36. Subtracting the numerators, 33 minus 8 is 25. So we have the square root of 25 over 36. Finally, we can take the square root of the top and the bottom separately. The square root of 25 is 5, and the square root of 36 is 6. So the answer is 5/6. Well done. That's question 1 complete.